This video is to briefly explain some of the AM Angstrom Microscope technology used in order to evaluate, assess, diagnose, analyze, and examine this petrified wood. Two of these that we'll discuss in this video are called the AM SCSEM and the TTAM-CL. In other words, the TTAM-CL is the Telescopic Transitional Angstrom Microscope catoluminescent technologies used to study the petrified wood. One of the very fundamental capabilities of the AM microscope is that it has two capabilities that may be used for examining, in this case, petrified wood. In this case, Ark-Quest research and expedition team believe that the very vast body of evidence will present and demonstrate now as soon as possible, as time goes by, that this object on Greater Mount Ararat is allegedly the remains of Noah's Ark. First, we'll discuss number one, which is the AM, which is the abbreviation for Angstrom Microscope, and SCSEM is for Angstrom Microscope Spectrographic Color Spectrum Elemental and Mineral Technology Capability. And that's what we're going to discuss now. This technology can zoom in to the petrified wood that needs to be studied, like a telescope, or even between the beams, for example, like the bitumen as well, or the petrified wood, and also can study the minerals that have been absorbed and permineralized in the wood, even on whatever piece of petrified wood is being investigated. This next piece of technology is important. It goes by the abbreviation TT-AM-CLT, which basically is Telescopic Transitional Angstrom Microscope Cathodoluminescence Technology. It is similar to the scanning electron microscopy cathodoluminescence technology as well, except that the TTAM-CL is not only about 25 times more powerful than the SEM-CL technology, but it is also portable and will fit into a regular sized attaché case briefcase and may be taken just about anywhere. It also has application of taking the magnification capabilities far beyond an SEM or any other microscope, even a super microscope, which is still about at least 25 times more powerful. And like a powerful telescope, it can zoom into an object, in this particular case, a possible piece of petrified beam or carved wood that was carved by an ancient artisan into a picture writing representation of allegedly, for example, one of the animals that was on the ark during the global flood. However, which eventually 4,400 years later permineralized and turned into petrified wood. And it can all do this without even physically having to take the petrified wood away from its location. They can do this through an image. And this has been proven in many different scientific situations. For example, it can attain microscopic images or micrographs down to the angstrom level, and also has been used in a number of peer-reviewed papers